welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Yesenia and thank you for choosing this video to watch. And if you are not new here, thank you for returning to my channel. So today I decided to do something really fun. Throughout this entire quarantine, I have been baking banana bread like no tomorrow. Honestly, everyone here loves a good banana bread. So I decided to show you guys my banana bread recipe, and I also had my friends and family pick out questions for me to introduce myself to you guys. So to start off, I am going to put in 2 cups of flour, all-purpose flour. Now for flour, I use gluten-free all-purpose flour. I just feel like it's a bit healthier, and healthy is always good in this house. Put in my big pan. FYI, I'm not a pretty baker. Like, I make a mess. I'm pretty messy. Next, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of baking soda. Then 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add a cup of unrefined coconut sugar. Oh my God, coconut sugar in your banana bread, it is so good. So good. Love me some sugar. Okay, now I'm gonna take a whisk, mix it up. I'm going to place this to the side. And in my NutriBullet cup that I'm gonna use, I'm going to put half of Miyokos? Yeah. I'm gonna put Miyoko's cultured vegan butter. Guys, this is so good. I cannot even explain. If you want butter for baking, please give this a try. So I cut this in half and I placed it in here and I blend it with everything else. And that is the portion that I use. Place that in there. I put in 3, people put in really ripe bananas, but just as long as the banana is regular and it's good to go, I use a regular banana. So I put 3 bananas. So I'm gonna wait a little bit to put in the 3rd banana just because that is super stuffed. But for eggs, what I do is, this is my egg replacer. I take 2 tablespoons of flaxseed and then I take 3 tablespoons of water for each. So I use 6 tablespoons of water and it gives you like that nice heavy egg replacer that you're looking for. Fantastic. I'm gonna take a teaspoon of vanilla extract and throw that in there. Now I'm gonna go ahead with milk. And for milk, I'm gonna use coconut milk. It's so weird, right, that I use this to make banana bread, but guys, it tastes so good. I use 1/2 of a cup. Now I'm gonna go ahead and blend all this together. Okay, now that that's pretty much blended, I'm gonna go ahead and throw in the last banana. Okay. So I'm gonna pour that in. I didn't even show you guys, but look, see that consistency, how good that's coming out? Wow, totally fucked up. I'm gonna pour the rest of this in. So now I'm gonna whisk all of this together. Look at this. Oh man, that is so good. Okay, now that this is pretty much ready to go, I'm gonna use one of these loaf pans. Actually, I have one that is single, so I don't need to use this one. So I'm gonna use this loaf pan that I just grabbed, and also what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a small amount of coconut oil. So I'll do a tablespoon. Put that on my hand and I will rub it all over the pan. Now that that's all greased up, obviously you guys don't have to do this. I just choose to do it. I mean, the only people that are gonna eat this is me, my boyfriend, and that's it. So if you guys don't like to use your fingers, I totally understand. But yeah, that's how I do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in. I'm gonna remove this out of the way. This is ready to bake. So excited. Okay, guys, so while that's cooking, now you wanna leave that in for about 45 minutes. So I have a timer going for 45. And while that's cooking, I figured I'd answer some questions. That way you guys can get to know me a little bit better. Okay, so my first question is, what is your favorite workout? My favorite workout is boxing. I love to box. Honestly, it's something that I discovered recently, but I honestly fell in love with it. I'm gonna see if I can find a clip and then I'm gonna insert it. That way you guys can see.
Whoa. That's one. That's right. She's up. Go back.
Oh, fuck that step back. He's good.
Come on. That close. That close to go. She's trying. Whoa. That's low. That's the right hand. Step back. Step up. Hey.
Finally. But that's definitely my favorite workout for sure. What is your sign? I am an Aquarius. Yeah, I'm a fun time. That's all I have to say about that. Aquariuses are a fun time. What are my favorite places to shop? I love Pretty Little Thing. I mean, I'm kind of obsessed with Pretty Little Thing. I love Zara. Zara has phenomenal clothing. I also like Miss Lola. And a lot of people sleep on Miss Lola. I don't know, but their clothing can be kind of pricey. That's the only thing. But if you could shop at Zara, you could definitely shop at Miss Lola. Those are my top 3 for sure. Like, I have a lot of the pieces. Oh no, sorry. And I just discovered this website called Shop Akira. Their clothes are definitely bomb. So those are my top sites right now that I have been just spending all my money. It's crazy, it's insane. What is my go-to drink? My go-to drink is, I'm gonna tell you right now, a vodka club with 4 limes. Because if you put the limes in it, I'm hilarious and I'm crazy. But if I put limes in my drink, I almost feel like it's canceling out the fattening of the vodka. So I put in a whole bunch of limes in my drink. So then technically I just feel like I'm drinking bad stuff, but then I'm canceling out the bad stuff with limes and lemons. So that is my go-to drink. Club soda, vodka, preferably Grey Goose or Tito's vodka, because Tito's is gluten-free. And yeah, lots of lemon and lime, because then it really doesn't count. What is your favorite food? My favorite food, I love food. I love food so much. I love pasta. Pasta and pizza. Anything Italian. Nah. But then I also love Spanish food. Like some mango. Oh my God, it's making me so hungry. I would say Spanish and Italian food, for sure. I would eat that every day. If it wasn't that it's kind of not that good for you, I would eat that every single day. So last question. What song describes me? Ooh. That's a good question. I feel like my friends would describe that song, "Oh, she's sweet but a psycho," Like, yeah, that's definitely the song that my friends would use to describe me. She'd be like, oh, she's sweet but a psycho, a little bit psycho. But for me personally, I feel like the song that describes me best is, damn. Yeah, I need to get back to you on that one. I don't even know. And I know a lot of music. Like, I love music. But there's so many things coming into my head right now. Song. I feel like any song that's empowering, honestly. Or like about loving yourself. Something that, cause, you know, I love me. But I do. I love me. So any song that's kind of like an empowering song, I feel like that would be a definition of kind of who I am. Or a fun song. That doesn't answer the question. I really don't know. That's actually a really good question that I'm like stuck on. So I'm just gonna give you guys what my friends say. That Sweet But Psycho song. And that's me. So these are the ending of the questions. That way you guys get to know me a little bit better, because I've just started doing makeup YouTube videos and I really haven't introduced myself for what I'm about. But hopefully with these questions you get to see a little bit more of my personality. I'm learning to be a little bit less camera shy, because I am extremely camera shy for some reason. I don't know, like I feel like I'm talking to you guys, but I don't know why when the camera's in front of me I'm just like a little bit more shy than normal. It's so weird. But I hope you like these questions, and I hope you got to know a little bit more about me and who I am. And I will be back when this bad boy is all set and done, and I'll show you guys how he looks. So I want to show you how good that looks. It's right out the oven. Now what I do is I sprinkle some agave as a topping, just lightly, to give it some drizzle. Can you even see that? Oh yes, you can. Yay! Alright, so sprinkle some agave, ground cinnamon on the top of it. And on my side, I put a little bit of lemon juice. And that is it, my friends. There you have a fully vegan banana bread. Let's let it dry for 15 minutes and then we will have my boyfriend as a taste tester. Let them know how it is.
Whole, like that. Good texture.
It's hot, so just give it
It's hot, so everybody see that steam.
Careful.
Right. Good.
Is it good?
It's rich. It's thick.
There you have it, guys.
This is good.
That is a vegan banana bread. Guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I am going to link this recipe down below for you. That way you guys can make it at home for your loved ones or for yourself. I mean, banana bread is a big, hold on, I'm gonna take a piece. Sorry. Banana bread is a big staple in our house, especially now during quarantine. So yeah, let me know if you guys try this recipe and you guys like it at home. If you like this video, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I really would appreciate it. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I'll link that down below. And we can be friends there too. Right, princess? With that being said, I hope you guys are staying safe. If you watched this video till the end, thank you. I appreciate it, and I love you so much, as always. And I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe. Bye. Say bye.